Hello everyone. Today let's see the Earth in the solar system. So here the topics of the day: celestial body. We will discuss constellation and Saptarshi, star, pole star, planet, Earth, Moon, and solar system. We will see Sun, planet, Earth, Moon, orbit, Earth twins, Pluto, Aryabhatta, Neil Armstrong, satellite versus man-made satellite, asteroids, meteoroids, Milky Way galaxy, Akashganga galaxy, and universe. We will see one by one. Let's see the first two goal here. This is geography. So world geography, which is related to films and mains. Let's see one by one. What is celestial body? Celestial body simply you can keep in mind objective shining in the night. So whatever the objective is shining in the night, that is called celestial body. Let's see the definition. The sun, the moon, all those objectives shining in the night sky is called celestial body. Celestial bodies are very big and hot. These are all very big and hot. They are made up of gas. Remember that celestial bodies made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, and which they emit in large amount. Let's see the next one, the star. The star is a celestial body's own heat and light. Let's see the difference between a celestial body and star. Celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gas. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amount. This is we have seen. The celestial bodies are called stars. So here the small celestial bodies are called stars. Sun is a star. Sun is also one of the star. Sun is a celestial body and sun is a star. Constellation. Constellation is a group of stars. Celestial bodies are stars. Stars are constellations. The night sky, you may notice the various pattern formed the different group of stars. So this is you might noticed it. So during the uh, various pattern from the different groups of stars during the night sky. So these are all called the constellations, which means the group of stars is called the constellation. So Ursa Major and Big Bear is a one such constellation. So Ursa Major, Big Bear, keep in mind. And Saptarshi, a group of seven stars is called Saptarshi. Sapta means seven. Saptarshi means a group of seven stars. So Ursa Major or Big Bear. Let's see the what is Ursa Major. Ursa Major and Big Bear. One of the most easily responsible. Sorry. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is called Saptarshi. Seven Rishi stages. A group of seven stars that form the part of Ursa Major constellation. Let's see the next one, pole star. What is pole star? It's always north position. Pole star is always north position. So the same position, that is north position only. North star indicates the north direction. North star that indicates only the north direction. So it always remain in the same position in the sky. It can locate the position of the pole star with the help of Saptarshi. So this is pole star. See here the constellation. Group of constellation is called stars, and group of stars is called constellation. And the constellation pole star is always north position. So this is the difference between celestial body, star, constellation, and a pole star. Let's see the next. Next, we see the difference between planet, Earth, and Moon satellite. Planet, sum of celestial bodies. We have seen the what is the celestial bodies just now. So some of celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. So some of celestial bodies they do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planet come from the Greek word that is planetai, which means wanderers. So next we see the Earth, planet. Earth is a blue planet. Earth on which we live is a planet. We are living in planet that is called Earth. It gets all its heat light from the sun. So Earth can't get its own heat and light, and it gets heated by the sun, which is our nearest star. Sun is a nearest star to Earth. Earth is a neither too hot nor too cold. It is not too hot, it is not too cold. It has water and air because it has water and air, so that's why it's not too hot and too cold. Air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. Earth is a unique planet in the solar system because of life supporting gases are there like oxygen, etc. So, from the outer space, the Earth appears blue color. From the outer space, if you see far away from the Earth, it appears like a in blue color because it two-third surface is covered by water. So two-third of Earth is covered by water. That is called we used to call as blue planet. Some facts regarding Earth. Light travels at the speed about 3 lakh km per second. Light travels at the speed of about 3 lakh km per second. At even with this speed, light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. Even the light is traveling so speed, but it takes 8 minutes to reach the earth from the sun. Next we see the moon. Moon is a satellite. See here, sun is a star. Sun is a star. Earth is a planet. Moon is satellite. So the moon that we see in the sky is satellite. It is companion of our earth and moves around it. It is companion of our earth and moves around it. Like our earth, there are 7 other planets that gets heat light from the sun. So like our earth, 7 other planets that get heat light from the sun. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus have rings around them. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus have rings around them. So these are all belts of the small debris. These are all small belts of small debris. These rings may seen from the earth, which help of the powerful telescope. You can see them by using the telescopes. So those are all the small debris that you can find through the telescope view. Let's see the next solar system. Solar system. Solar system, the sun, 8 other planets, and satellite, some other celestial bodies are known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. See here, sun, 8 planets, satellites, some other celestial bodies known as asteroids, meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it as a solar family with the sun as its head. Sun is a head to the all other planets, satellites, some other celestial bodies. Sun acting as a head. Note soul. Soul in a Roman mythology is the sun god. Soul is a Roman mythology which means sun god. Solar means related to sun. So family of the sun is called solar system. Let's see the next one. The difference between sun, planets, earth and moon. Let's see one by one. This sun. The first one, see here. Sun is in the center of the solar system. Sun is at the center of solar system. It is a huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It is a made up of extremely hot gases. Sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. Sun is the ultimate source of heat and light to the other solar system. Nearest star. So sun is the nearest star to Earth. You can say this is Earth. It is nearest star is Sun. So Sun is about 150 million kilometer away from the Earth. Total 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. So let's see the planets. There are 8 planets are there in our solar system. So in order to their distance from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So total 8 planets. Sun, after Sun there is Mercury. After Mercury there is Venus. After Venus there is Moon, Earth. After Earth there is Mars. After Mars there is Jupiter. After Jupiter Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Earth is the third one. Name of the planet in order of their distance from the Sun. See here. The first one, this is very simple thing to keep in mind. It is given in NCRT. So if you want to remember the order of the Sun solar system, you'll see here. The first one, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. My very efficient mother just served us nuts, which means here the M first is the Sun, second Mercury, and this one very means Venus, and the next efficient means Earth. So these are all the four, and mother means M means Mars. So after Mars there is Jupiter. J means J means Jupiter. S means Saturn. U means Uranus. N means Neptune. So these are all the four. So this is easy way to remember. This is given in NCRT. So if you want to understand the order of our planets, first is M. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Let's see the next one. Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. It is in the third nearest sun, third nearest planet. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. In the size, you can amongst the 8 planets, it is the fifth largest. It's slightly flattened at the poles. It's slightly flattened at the poles. You see here, like this. So this is why its shape is the described as a geoid. Geoid means earth-like shape. Geoid means earth-like shape. Let's say the moon. Moon is our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Moon having, moon is a satellite. Our planet having the only one satellite, that is moon. Diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. So it appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It's about 384,000 kilometers away from the earth. So sun is 150 million kilometer away, but this one moon is 384,000 kilometer. So one spin. So to cover the one spin, it takes 27 days to moon. Moon moves around the Earth about 27 days. Total 27 days takes to moves around the Earth. That takes exactly the same time to the complete the one spin. So one spin take the 27 days, and Moon is also rotating around the Earth takes 27 days. The result only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. What are the drawbacks of Moon here? The Moon doesn't have conditions favorable for the life. Moon don't have the conditions that are favorable to live there. It has mountains, plains, depressions on its surface. So this is all about difference between Sun, planet, Moon, and Earth. Let's see the next one, orbit. Let's see orbit, fixed path. Orbit is a all the 8 planets of the solar system moves around the Sun in a fixed path. So these 8 planets moves around the Sun with a fixed path. These paths are elongated. So these are all called orbit. So there is a moon. So other planets are revolving around the Sun in a fixed path. Those are all path is called a orbit. Earth twins. Earth twins is called a Venus. Venus is considered as the Earth twin because the size and shape are very much similar to that of the Sun, that of the Earth. Pluto is the dwarf planet. Till recently, August 2006, Pluto was also considered as a planet. But, however, the meeting of the International Astronomical Union. So, decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial objects, so this is the term that they used. Discovered the recent past may be called as dwarf planet. We used to call it dwarf planet. It no more planet. Some fact we see Aryabhatta. He was a famous astronomer of ancient India. He said that moon and planets shine due to reflected sunlight. So they are due to reflected sunlight. So moon and planet. And Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 20 July 1969. So 20 July 1969, he was the first person step on the surface of the moon. Astronomers, those who study the, who are the astronomers here? Those who are study the celestial bodies. Those who are study the celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. It is full moon light. It is full moon night or Purnima. It is a new moon night that is called Amavasya. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Remember that Mercury is the first one nearest to the sun, and it takes only 88 days to complete the one around along its orbit. Earth takes almost 365 days, right, to complete that 1 year. So for the Mercury takes only 88 days to around the sun once. Let's see the difference between satellite and human-made satellites. Satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet. Satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planet moves around the sun. So, celestial body moves around the planets. Celestial bodies move around the planets the same way planets move around the sun. It may be sun, the planets move around the sun, but celestial bodies move around the planets. So, human made satellites, these are all the artificial body that designed by the scientist to gather the information about the universe for the communication. So, it is like a human made one artificial body that is made up of made by scientist to get the information about the universe and its communication purpose. So, carried by the rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in the space are in INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. These are all some of the examples of human-made satellites. So this is the difference between satellite and human made satellites. Let's see the difference between asteroids and meteorites. So asteroids, apart from the stars, planet and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies. Asteroids is a numerous tiny bodies which is move around the sun. They are also moving around the sun. So apart from planet, satellites, stars, so these are all the tiny bodies. So these tiny bodies are called asteroids. They found between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are founding between the Mars and Jupiter. So in between them, they are finding asteroids. Meteorites, the small pieces of rocks. Meteorites is a small pieces of rocks which move around the sun is called meteorites. Small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. So these are all called the meteorites. Sometimes these meteorites come near to the earth. Sometimes these are all coming near to the earth. So and tend to the drop upon it. Sometimes it tend to drop on the uh, surface of the earth. So during this process, due to the friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. So it causes the flash of light. Sometimes a meteorites without being the completely burnt fall on the earth and creates a swallow. It will create a halo. Let's see the next one. What is Milky Way galaxy? Milky Way galaxy, white glowing path across the sky on the clear starry night. On the clear starry night, white glowing path. It is cluster of millions of stars. It is cluster of millions of stars. The band is Milky Way galaxy. White glowing path across the sky. White glowing path across the sky is called Milky Way galaxy. It clears starry night. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. Solar system is also part of Milky Way galaxy. Let's see the next one, Akash Ganga. What is Akash Ganga? In the ancient India, it was imagined to be the river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named as a Akash Ganga. On the sky, so there is a river of light flowing on the sky. So these are all called as Akash Ganga. Galaxy and universe. Galaxy and universe. What is the difference between them? Galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases. These are all the millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. So the Earth is a part of the solar system. Earth is a part of the solar system. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. So Earth is a part of solar system. Solar system is part of Milky Way galaxy, which is a part of universe. Milky Way galaxy is a part of universe. So finally, universe is the bigger. Think about that universe, the fact that is containing the millions of such galaxies. So that is the difference between galaxy and universe. What is Akash Ganga? What is Milky Way galaxy? What is different between asteroids and meteorites? So let's see some questions which are there in the NCRT. So what is the planet known as the Earth twins? Earth twins we just discussed about, that is Venus one. So which is the third nearest planet to the sun? So third nearest planet is Earth. So all the planets move around the sun in a circular path. So all the planets move around the sun in a circular path. The pole star indicate the direction of north. It is only north face. Asteroids are found between the orbits of, just now we discussed, Mars and Jupiter. So the asteroids found between Mars and Jupiter. Let's see the some fact here which are important for the exam. So the fact is group of stars forming a various pattern is called constellation. Group of stars is called constellation. Remember that. Huge system of stars is called galaxy. Huge system of star called galaxy. The moon is the closest celestial body to Earth. Moon is a satellite. It is the closest celestial body to Earth. It's nearly 3,84,400 kilometers from the Earth. To be precise, precise. The planets in the order from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Let's see the Mercury, Venus. Here the Sun, you can say Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So this is the order. Just keep in mind. The Earth is the third nearest planet to Sun. Earth is the third nearest to Sun. The planet do not have their own light and heat. Remember that planets do not have their own light and heat. Planets also astronomical bodies. Planets also astronomical body orbit a star stellar remnant that is the massive enough to be the rounded by its own gravity is not the massive enough to cause the thermonuclear fusion. These are all the some of the facts. This is all about the session today. So I hope it would help you in your preparation. So some of the points are important here. So keep in mind you might get the questions which related to them. It may seems like very easy, but you need to maintain the some more clarity while reading. What is the constellation? What is star? What is moon? What is earth? What is asteroids? What is meteorites? So these are all the some of the more important things that you need to keep in mind for the state exams also. It help you a lot. So thank you.